The Sunningdale is an opulent electric stove featuring ultra-realistic Opti-V technology, which is unlike any other flame effect. Opti-V is the first and original virtual flame technology, patented by Dimplex. This stunning authentic fire experience requires no maintenance and delivers a flame image equal to that of a traditional fire, with no emissions and a total safety. It delivers a virtual perfect flame effect through a magic combination of high-definition video and LEDs. The Sunningdale is the perfect combination of ambience and warmth due to the integrated electric heater option, offering up to 2 kilowatts of heat. The flame effect can be used without the heat, allowing you to enjoy your fire all year round, creating the perfect fireplace for your home. The dancing flames and the jumping sparks, combined with LED glowing log fuel bed and crackling log sound effect, delivers an extraordinary realistic flame experience. Quick and easy to install, the Sunningdale simply needs to be plugged in to deliver its unique flame effect, and all the features can be adjusted from the remote control or by using the manual controls behind the opening door to the stove.